Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is G2A, how you can buy different games and softwares at very reasonable prices, and how this actually works. Is it legit or not? So let's begin the video. First of all, this video is not sponsored by G2A, so everything that I'm going to tell you is according to my personal experience when using this platform. So the first thing is that G2A is basically an online website where you can buy different keys for games, softwares or any other digital product. So you can buy different keys for games at a very cheap price. The second thing is that is it legit? Well, yes, I have bought Microsoft Office key at a very low price comparing it with the market, and it has worked perfectly for me. The third thing is that how can G2A provide very low prices? Well, I think it is because mostly the sellers buy these things at sales, or they buy bulk softwares from the actual suppliers or developers, so in that way they get low prices and they are selling them again at low prices in this platform. The only thing that you need to make sure that whenever buying a product key on this platform is that first of all that product key is applicable in your country, because some keys do not work in different countries. The second thing is that the seller should have more than 90% of positive rating or feedback, so that you know that the seller is a legit seller and the key will definitely work. So let me show you how you can buy any game or software at a very low price. First of all, you're going to open g2a.com and you're going to click on the sign in register button. If you do not have an account, click on register, and here you need to enter your email address to create an account, or you can create an account using Google, Facebook, etc. But I highly recommend that you make your account using an email address that you use and you have access to it, because if you're going to buy any game or software, then the redeem code or the software key will be sent to this email. So you should type the email that you use often and you have access to. I'm going to click on agree to the terms and conditions and create an account. Welcome to g2a.com. So what we are going to do is to open our email address and we're going to click on the link to verify our account. So now we're going to log into our G2A account. From here you're going to use the search bar to search for any game or software that you want to buy. In my case, I'm going to search for Microsoft Office for my Mac. So I'm going to type Office Mac and it's going to show me different results. You can see Office Home and Business 2021 is 42.74 and so on. So I'm going to buy the 2019 version of Office, and you can see it's $18.64, which is quite cheap as compared to the official price, which is around 150 or 120 USD. Microsoft Office Home and Business 2019 Mac. So here you're going to see at the seller's positive feedback. You can see on the right side the seller name is Game Boutique and it has 99% positive feedback, which means that if you're going to buy any software or game key from this seller, most probably you're going to have a working key, which is great. So try to find sellers which have 90% or above positive feedback. The second thing is that whether this key or game will work in your country or not. You can see it says can activate in Pakistan, and I live in Pakistan, so I know that I can use this Office software in my country. So you should cross check according to your country. So the version is global and the type is key, meaning you will get a key for the software or the game. So I'm going to click on add to cart, and if you want to buy multiple products you can do so, but for now I'm going to click on my cart. I'm going to click on continue payment, and you can pay through G2A balance. You can pay through your Visa, credit or debit card, through PayPal, Skrill and so on. In my case I'm going to select my credit card. Here I'm going to enter the card details of my credit card. I'm going to click on confirm and it's going to do the payment for the transaction. So we are processing your payment success. You can see your order is placed. So now they are processing your order and you typically get your key within 5 to 10 minutes. It can sometimes take longer, but since these are digital keys, so you can check your email in 5 to 10 minutes or after an hour. And here you can see I have received an mail from G2A. Hello, here is your game order. And here I'm going to click on get order. Here you can see it's showing Microsoft Office, and below it has a blue button saying show me the key. If I click on the blue button, it's going to show me the software key or the game key in your case. So I'm simply going to copy this software key, and now I'm going to download Microsoft Office from Microsoft's official website, and I'm going to activate it using this software. And I have activated, and this is working perfectly alright with my Mac. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.